Hi, this is Plants Lover 51. I want to show you our friend here. This is Robbin. It has just left. Flight away. Oh, there you are, little one. He's very much friendly. He's with us the whole time. He's around us when we do works. I think he's listening to me at this moment, talking to you. He's so much cute, such a cute little birdie. I'm sorry I don't have lenses which are strong enough to be able to see him better. There you are. He's hiding now. He's playing with me. He's going to come out sometime. Oh, that door is there. I can see somebody moving. There you are. How are you doing, little one? Oh, be careful. You're going to hit your head. Where are you, beautiful? There he is. He's hidden again in the logs. But he's going to come up, I'm sure. He's helping me with all the works I'm doing here in the garden. So, there you are. You have met my best friend around here. Bye. Oh, here it is again. Hello, little one. Okay, let's start working. Enough chatting. Now work, okay? Bye-bye to everybody.